Today, I'm going to show you a powerful 1-minute IQ option strategy using 3 different indicators: consecutive candle count, disparity index, and Bollinger Bands. Follow my guide carefully to understand how this strategy works. Before we start, I have to say this clearly. I am using only a demo account on IQ Option. Please don't invest your hard-earned money just by watching this video. Binary options carry a high risk of losing money, so practice this strategy only on your demo account first and check whether it works for you. Now, let's get into the video. First, set the candle time to 1 minute. Now, search for the consecutive candle count indicator and click on it. Set both the bullish and bearish candle values to 0.5 and then click Apply. Next, search for the disparity index and add it to the chart. Change the period to 20 and keep the moving average type as SMA. Change the main line color to purple and make the line thicker. Then click Apply. Finally, search for Bollinger Bands and click on it. Change the period to 17 and set the deviation to 2.5 and change the middle line color to white and make the lines thicker. Then click Apply. Now our 3 indicators are ready. Let's see how the strategy works. For a downside trade, first check the Bollinger Bands. The bearish candles should cross below the white middle line. The current candle should be below the white line but should not touch or cross the lower yellow Bollinger Band. In other words, the candle should be moving between the white middle line and the lower yellow line. Next, check the consecutive candle count. It is better to have at least 2 bearish candles moving consecutively in the downward direction. The more consecutive bearish candles you have, the stronger the signal becomes. Finally, check the purple disparity index line. It should turn downward or start moving strongly downward. When the Bollinger Bands, consecutive candle count, and disparity index all confirm the downward movement at the same time, you can enter a downside trade with a 1-minute expiry. For an upside trade, we use the opposite conditions. The bullish candles should cross above the white middle Bollinger Band and move between the white line and the upper red line. The candle should not touch or cross the upper red Bollinger Band. The consecutive candle count should ideally show 2 or more bullish candles moving consecutively upward. At the same time, the purple disparity index line should turn upward or begin moving strongly upward. When all 3 indicators confirm the upward movement, you can enter an upside trade with a 1-minute expiry. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how this strategy works. Let's put it into action on my IQ Option demo account. You should practice it on your demo account too. All right, look here. I'm opening a downside trade because the candles are below the white middle Bollinger Band without touching the lower yellow line. The consecutive candle count shows several bearish candles, and the purple disparity index line is moving strongly downward. So all 3 indicators are giving us a bearish signal. Great, we won that trade. Now here is an upside opportunity. The candles are above the white middle Bollinger Band without touching the upper red line. We also have consecutive bullish candles, and the disparity index is moving upward. Therefore, all 3 indicators are giving us a bullish signal. So I'm opening an upside trade. Great, we won that trade too. So this is the strategy I wanted to show you. Practice this on your demo account and check if it works for you. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.